you know, this is frustrating. 21105. This is just frustrating. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Moonbuilt Garage. Check your parts. I don't even, you know, this is frustrating. I don't know if you guys watch Uncle Tony's Garage or not. If you don't, go check out his channel. He's been doing a lot of videos recently talking about how the parts we get today are different than the parts we used to be able to get, how things aren't right anymore. You know, things are just, they're just not the same. I went to go start rebuilding the exhaust for the D100 project, and let me show you what I ran into. So like I said, I went to start rebuilding my exhaust. So I bought these Hedman headers couplers, or they're this part here that bolts up to the collector of your header. So here are the two boxes, all right? This box is the box, nope, that's the new one. This box is the one that I bought when I built my exhaust. And these are the flanges, you know, from that box. Same part number, 21105, all right? So same exact part number. These claim, you know, I don't know, made in the USA. They're Hedman headers. I'm going to call them out for this because this is stupid. All right, this is the new box. So I went to start building my exhaust, and I actually had these boxed up because I'm taking them for a return right now. Come on, out of the box. Let me put you guys down and get these out of the box. And you can see on this one, I even started prepping it. I started sanding it down just to start prepping for welding, all right? The first thing I noticed, which I thought was a good thing, was the flange. This thing is beefy. It actually feels like it's more beefy than the one that I had on there. And these are a little bent from going on and off. So these are the new flanges, all right? First of all, they shouldn't do that. Same on this side. They just slip right on. All right. They don't on this one. It doesn't slip on. It slips on. All right. So that, first of all, that told me something was wrong. Second, so then I went to line up my holes on the collector. They don't line up. As a matter of fact, let me grab one of my filter, one of the gaskets here. This is the gasket I was running on the truck. They don't line up, all right? Thirdly, look at the difference in that flange. They're not the same. It's a 2.5 inch pipe, it's just flanged more. And these are the wrong, it's just flared more. And these are the wrong flange or the wrong bolt plate. It doesn't line up. Check your parts. Like I said, that's the old box. That's the new box. Same exact part number. So now I'm stuck. Now I got to return those, wait for new ones to get here, hope they're right, and then I can continue with my build. Check your parts, guys. Check your parts. This is just frustrating. I don't even know. After the fiasco I had yesterday working on this thing and now dealing with this. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.